Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, October 19, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, October 19, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 19, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, October 19, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for October 19, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Sunday, October 19, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.